To adjust the vibrating massage settings, simply press the power button to power on the device. There are 4 different massage levels. Your massage ball will start at the first level. To increase the intensity, simply press the power button a second time, bringing the intensity to level 2. As you progress through the massage modes, the small blue LED lights will illuminate to indicate the selected level. Pressing the power button a third time enters the device into auto mode, which cycles through level 1 and level 2 intensities. A fourth press of the power button will bring the massage ball up to its highest intensity. All 4 LED lights will be illuminated. To power down the device from here, simply press the power button one final time.